Decoding, have a fit, in English. Hello language learners. Today, we're going to delve into a fun and commonly used English phrase, have a fit. By the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning, its origins, and how to use it in a sentence. Let's get started. When you first hear the phrase, have a fit, you might imagine someone trying on clothes or perhaps doing some form of exercise. However, in English, this phrase doesn't usually have a literal meaning related to physical fitness or clothing. In colloquial English, if someone is said to have a fit, it typically means that they are very upset or angry about something. It can also refer to someone reacting in a very emotional or exaggerated manner. For instance, if someone said, when she saw the broken vase, she had a fit, it means that the person became very upset upon seeing the broken vase. While the exact origins of the phrase are unclear, the term fit in this context is believed to have derived from Older English, where it meant a sudden attack or outburst. This could be related to a sudden bout of illness or emotion. Over time, having a fit became associated more with strong emotional reactions, particularly anger or frustration. To solidify your understanding, let's go over some examples. 1. He had a fit when he realized he lost his wallet. 2. If she finds out you forgot her birthday, she'll have a fit. 3. I'm trying to fix the computer before Dad comes home and has a fit. Remember, context is key. The phrase generally denotes a strong reaction, but the exact emotion might vary based on the situation. So, the next time you come across the phrase, have a fit, in English, you'll know that it's referring to someone having a strong emotional reaction. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this video has been enlightening. Keep practicing and stay curious about the nuances of the English language.